Hello everyone. Hello, student fraternity. Welcome back. In today's video, I came with another topic of oil and gas domain, and the topic is how branding is done in petroleum industry. The video I have broken down into two parts. The first part will be dealing with what branding is, how branding is done, and why branding is important in any industry and particularly petroleum industry. And the second part will deal with how we can do branding, and mainly I have given 10 points. Let's get started. So now the basic question which come into the mind is why branding is required and why we have to put so much of effort in making or building the brand of particular company or particular in particular industry. So it is the unique way by which customer identifies the goods and service of the company. It can be in the form of its name, symbol, or sign or design or something which is striking the customer's mind, and it has its sense associated with it. That is why brand is created. So industries create expectations in the mind of customers or what customer can associate with that name. So for that, brand is created. So it gives a unique feel, look, and kind of voice for all the communications. So generally, in nutshell, we can say the objective is to create a relationship of trust with the customer. So that is why brand is required. Now coming to the second part of the video. See, as I said that I'll be telling you the different ways in which branding of petroleum industry can be done. So we are taking any product like petroleum product, and if we are buying petroleum product from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the basic nature of the petroleum product will almost remain same. That is, the nature of this product is basically homogeneous. We buy it from any part of the country. So where we are going to make difference? So in the following 10 points, I'll be telling you where we can strike the customer and where we can make the difference and where we can stand out from the competition to create a better brand name. So number one, it's creating a better customer service. We can employ the best frontiers in the frontline services so that the service which customer gets is outstanding from the complete market or the industry. See, if we are seeing any point of interaction of customers with our product, it's only petrol pump. It is the real time where the customer is in real touch with the product and with us. So it is the only place where we can make difference. So first is best customer service. Now coming to the second point, by offering customer one shop solution for all the services. Like a while ago, I went with my friend to take fuel. So he used the same station for checking and filling his tires with air pressure. So this is one thing which we can see the customer is having everything at that place only. He has not to go from one place to another, so that he will be coming back to the same place for all the things, for one shop for all the solutions. So this is the second point. And third is by providing fleet solution which provide fuel and road services for businesses. Like small businesses which are running in transportation sector, we can provide good services and fleet options for those organizations and those MSMEs. Then coming to the fifth point, offering electric charge station for EV vehicle. This can make a difference in coming like every country is moving towards Paris conventions and towards more cleaner fuel of energy, source of energy. So we can provide EV stations for EV charging stations for the electric cars. And And the sixth point is by offering electronic tolling services, so that there is no clogs and no traffic jams at the petrol pump. And also we can combine those tolls, government tolls, with our pumps tolls, so that the customer minimizes the time of exit or the toll. Then coming to the next point, eighth point, by having conveyance stores, like one shop for all the solution, by like people can have their drinks, food, and so that they are spending more time, and the revenue is generated from those secondary activities. Then another point is teaming up with best brands to provide best solution and service to the customer in the convenience stores. Like for example, if I am Hindustan Petroleum, I will be combining with Big Bazaar to provide them better offers, and we are becoming together. We are becoming a stronger brand. Then digitization of operations and services, like different SAP techniques are being used in different petrol pumps. So better digitization of payment terms and relaxations and different schemes in petrol pumps can be employed, so that we create a better brand of our petroleum product. And the last is by using different innovations and new technologies at our outlet. That is, it should be updated up to the mark, to the time. So I think by these ways we can create very good branding of our petroleum product. So I think you and I hope you enjoyed it. And so till the next video, stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.